Croeso and welcome to the Learner Services Induction video. At Coleg y Cymoedd we have a Learner Services team based on each of our 4 campuses. We have dedicated staff in each of these teams who are managed by the following people. Gail Owen, Aberdare campus, Lisa Llewellyn, Nangarw campus, Paula Singleton, Rhondda campus and Paula Roberts, Ystrad Mynach campus. Learner Services are there to provide you with information on financial support and transport, and we're also there to support and guide you on your course choice. There may be financial grants available to apply for when you're at college. Here is an overview of what these are. Education Maintenance Allowance or EMA. This is a government grant for the learners who are 16 to 18 years of age. It is based on financial eligibility, and if approved you can get £30 a week. It is paid every 2 weeks into your bank account, and in exchange you need to attend all your lessons for 100% attendance. Welsh Government Learning Grant or WGLG. This is a government grant for the learners who are 19 years and over. It is based on financial eligibility, and if approved you can get up to £1,500 per year. This grant is paid termly and is based on attendance and progression on your course. Financial Contingency Fund or FCF. This is a grant that can provide financial help to learners who are experiencing difficulty as a result of low income. It is a means-tested grant, but if you are eligible, it can help towards nursery fees, kits for practical courses, meals for 16 to 17-year-olds, examinations and work placement. With regards to transport, support may be available to you for help with travelling to college. If you are 16 to 18 years old, your local council may be able to help you with travelling to and from college. Each council has different criteria, so if you visit your local council's website, you can see if you are eligible, and most have online application forms to complete. If you are unsure, contact the Learner Services office on your campus and they'll be able to advise you. Help may also be available for learners 19 years and over too. This is paid from our Financial Contingency Fund grant. It is subject to financial eligibility and is normally in the form of a bus pass. Learner Services staff are also there to advise and discuss options with you if you want to change your course. Therefore, make sure you come to speak to us if this is the case. The thing to remember is that Learner Services is a place to go if you're unsure of anything and you want advice and guidance. We have a team of professional specialised staff ready to answer any questions or concerns you may have whilst you're studying at college.